Sketching walls. The first step in creating a design in SoftPlan is to place the exterior walls. Precision is not required at this point, as the focus is to quickly sketch the rough shape of the floor plan. The Auto Dimension feature will place all of the necessary external extensions and dimensions. As the walls are drawn on the floor plan, they are automatically generated in the 3D model and added to the live Softlist materials report. After the dimension lines have been placed, they are edited to the desired values. This way, an accurate floor plan can be created in a matter of minutes. By simply right-clicking the dimension line, the dimension can be selected for editing. In the Edit menu, a new dimension value is entered and the side of the line from which to adjust the difference in value is selected. Opening a new vertical tab group allows the 2D plan and the 3D model to be viewed concurrently. As with exterior walls, interior walls can be drawn in 2D or 3D. Select the wall type and then reference the drawing grid and tape measure to draw the interior walls. Commands like Draw Select and Move can be used to quickly add and position walls as necessary to finish the layout. With both the interior and exterior walls now complete, placement of windows and doors is next. Drawing openings. Openings such as windows and doors can be selected from predefined symbol libraries, including vast collections of manufacturer openings, and are completely customizable by the user. To place a window on the plan, the desired window is selected and placed on the wall with a simple click of the mouse. Items added to the 2D plan will also be added to the 3D model and vice versa. The ability to quickly visualize changes made to the floor plan in detailed 3D is very helpful throughout the design process. Unit openings are two or more individual openings that are joined together to make a single opening. For example, drawing 3 windows side by side will form a unit opening. If drawing windows in 3D, one simple click of the mouse indicates the central position of the window. Items such as soldier coursing, trim, and shutters can be added to an opening after it is drawn using SoftPlan's powerful editing features. As with Windows, SoftPlan ships with a large library of standard and manufacturer door symbols. A wide selection of garage doors, exterior doors, and interior doors are available. SoftPlan's intuitive cursor control makes specifying the hinge side and swing direction of interior doors an easy, fluid motion. With the openings in place, The Auto Dimension command quickly redimensions the plan. As items are added, modified, or removed from the drawings and 3D model, SoftPlan's Material Estimator Softlist is updating and organizing a materials list with quantities, cost estimations, and labor and markup calculations. Editing openings. Openings and other symbols can be quickly modified using a wide array of customizable settings. Before editing the openings, a new height will be set for the walls. The wall height command is useful for simultaneously changing a group of walls in a drawing to a new height. Elevation views of the model can be generated and further modified in model mode, or detailed with notes and other informative items in annotated mode. After selecting the window for edit, many window options can be altered to make the window specifically tailored to meet the customer's needs. Exterior trim can be assigned using soldier coursing, row lock, or other trim options. From the profile libraries, an exterior trim profile symbol can be selected, which will greatly enhance the look of the 3D model. Extensive profile libraries offer many attractive profile symbols to choose from. Additionally, items such as shutters and grills can be quickly added to the window. The Repeat Edit command allows these same changes to be made rapidly to the other windows on the model. By editing a door, a transom can be quickly added and assigned a height. Using these various editing tools, all the openings in a project can be quickly customized to meet the user preferences. Kitchen layout. Once the exterior is complete, the interior work begins. With SoftPlan's cabinet configuration tools, a fully customized kitchen layout can be created in minutes. The Configure Cabinet menu provides many options for customizing a cabinet's shape, dimensions, and face layout. After selecting the cabinet to be used, SoftPlan's Snap functionality makes it easy to position it on the wall so that a click of the mouse adds it to the 3D model. Now, the next base cabinet can be configured and added to the model next to the first. SoftPlan's Auto Cabinet feature automatically combines the two cabinets into a single cabinet run. Kitchen appliance symbols can be added to define the kitchen layout. Choose from generic appliance symbols or select one of the many manufacturer's symbols. These appliance symbols are dimensionally accurate and will aid in the placement of cabinets. For example, a range symbol from one of the General Electric appliance libraries can be placed within the cabinet run. Like cabinets, symbols snap to walls for easy placement. Next, a refrigerator symbol can be added next to the doorway. Using the Edit menu, these cabinets can be customized to exact specifications. A sink can be quickly added by simply clicking a button and selecting the desired symbol to insert. SoftPlan has configured the options of the sink symbol to stack on top of the cabinet and also automatically cut the countertop to allow for the sink. A tap can be added in this same way. From the Edit menu, cabinets can even be replaced with appliance symbols like a dishwasher. The combination of base cabinets in the center of the kitchen area creates an attractive kitchen island. With a quick edit, end panels using a specific face layout can be added. Next, the peninsula option can be enabled to make the island cabinets accessible from both sides. Finally, cabinet leg symbols can be added and customized to achieve the desired look. Using the dimension command, dimension lines are drawn and then edited to accurately set the position of the kitchen island. Wall cabinets, shelving, and additional appliance symbols such as a range hood can be quickly added to complete a beautiful, fully customized kitchen layout. Stairs and second floor. At this stage, the second floor plan can be created. First, stairs will need to be added to connect the two floors. As with most drawing items, SoftPlan is preloaded with multiple libraries of stair symbols which can be inserted into the drawing and then modified to suit the design. For this design, a fold-back stair will be added. Once inserted, the stair can then be edited to enter the desired stair rise and other size requirements as needed. Railings and other stair options, such as a ceiling board, can be added in this menu as well. The quickest way to create the second floor plan is to use the Auto Floor Above command. Using the customizable auto floor options and other information from the main floor, this command automatically generates a second floor drawing and adds it to the project. Once generated, the second floor plan displays the stairs from the main floor. The Block Cut command can be used to remove the garage area that should not be present on the second floor plan. The removal of the garage created a large gap. The simplest way to have two walls form a corner is to use the Fillet command. Any remaining walls and openings that do not belong on the second floor can be removed at this time. The interior walls can now be drawn and dimensioned to create the second floor rooms. Returning to the main floor drawing, an edit of the stairs allows items such as a direction arrow and the total riser count to be added to the plan in the Stair Options tab. Next, a stair break can be added, and the stair lines after the break can be hidden. A direction arrow and the total riser count can also be added to the displayed stairs on the second floor plan. Finally, doors can be added and the basic layout of the second floor is complete. Examine the 3D model and elevation views to review the appearance of the second floor for accuracy. Bathroom layout. The next step in the design is to add the bathroom fixtures and cabinets. First, a tub can be added from a library of Kohler bathroom symbols. The symbol preview aids in the placement of the tub, and then, with a single click of the mouse, it snaps to the wall. A toilet symbol can be added in the same way. To create the shower, select a glass shower wall from the Wall Type menu, and then add the walls to the bathroom layout. The shower space can be easily resized by adding and editing dimension lines. Next, the shower door and shower symbols can be added. As with the kitchen layout, SoftPlan's cabinet system makes it easy to customize the look of the cabinetry to create an attractive bathroom vanity. Adding two base cabinets side by side creates a cabinet run that can then be further customized through the Edit menu. SoftPlan provides options for modifying the individual cabinets as well as the entire cabinet run. Again, sink and faucet symbols can be added to the countertop. Plumbing fixtures, such as sinks and faucets, will stack on top of the countertop. Using these simple methods, the remaining bathrooms can be quickly designed throughout the project. As a room is created in SoftPlan, the 3D model guides design decisions by providing instant feedback on the room's layout and the appearance of symbols and other interior details. Basement plan. The Auto Basement command automatically creates a foundation plan using the dimensions of the main floor. Simply enter the wall types and heights to create a new basement drawing that is automatically added to the model stack below the main floor plan. With the basement plan in the model stack, it generates in the 3D model and updates the materials list. Removing the main floor and second floor plans from the model stack will update the 3D tab to only display the basement. A few steps will have to take place to complete the basement plan. First, structural elements such as beams and posts can be added and dimensioned. Beams can be drawn and dimensioned in the same way as walls. The snap function makes it easy to place posts along the beam. Additionally, posts can be automatically adjusted to fit to beams through the Edit menu. Using the extension and dimension commands, the posts can then be precisely placed with a few quick edits. Next, the diagonal square command can be used to add a diagonal dimension line from one corner of the foundation to the opposite corner. The Auto Basement command makes it easy to generate and detail the foundation plan of any project. Floor joists. Now that the outlines for the main floor, second floor, and foundation plans are complete, the floor framing can be added. By viewing the drawing in floor system mode, only essential information such as walls, stairs, openings, and plumbing drops are visible in the plan. Before adding the floor system, The default floor framing settings for the project can be specified in the floor system options. The floor system can be drawn including all floor system components or in a combination of joists, ring joists, sill plates, and the subfloor. Currently, an overlay of the basement plan displays the structural beams and posts from the floor below. With the Break Joists at Bearing Below option selected, the joists will automatically break at the bearing walls and structural beams that can be seen from the basement overlay. As framing members are added to the floor system plan, the material report updates to list those items and their estimated costs in real time. Profile mode provides visual help for setting wall height and offsets accurately. Using the Set Wall Tops command, the 10-foot height of the house walls will be applied to the garage walls. By editing the main floor stair in drawing mode, the Create Framed Hole option can be used to cut a hole in the floor system of the second floor at the top of the stairs. SoftPlan provides options for viewing 3D representations of the house framing in the navigation window. Using the camera controls, the 3D framing model can be checked for accuracy. Roof. With the floor plans complete and the floor systems added, the roof can now be placed. By selecting Roof Mode, only essential items such as load-bearing walls and openings will be visible. This eliminates visual clutter caused by unnecessary items. Remember, the visibility of items on the plan is fully customizable, like nearly all features in SoftPlan. In the Roof Options menu, default roof properties such as pitch, overhang, and heel height can be specified. SoftPlan's Auto Roof command automatically constructs a hip roof over the main portion of the floor plan. Once the roof is added, roof properties can be modified to create the desired roof design. In this example, a roof edge is edited and the style of the roof plane is changed from hip to gable. The Repeat Edit command allows other roof edges to be quickly converted into gables. All of these actions can be completed in 2D or 3D depending on design preference. Another way to quickly change a roof edge to a gable edge is using the Apply Gable command. Next, a garage roof will be added using the Trace Roof command. This action applies a hip roof based on the perimeter of the area traced. A combination of SoftPlan's roof tools allows both simple and complex roof designs to be completed with speed and ease. Using the 3D model and the various elevation views, the roof can be examined and modified until the desired design is achieved. Elevations. As previously mentioned, modifications and additions can be quickly made to the elevation views in model mode. For example, a gable frieze and gable vent can be added to the gable roof edge through a quick edit. Any changes made to an elevation in model mode will be reflected on the floor plan and 3D model. Annotated mode shows automatically generated elevation markers that label items such as top of roof, top of plate, top of subfloor, and more. The items that are automatically labeled on the elevation in annotated mode can be set in the project options. In the Dimension menu, the Auto Elevation Marker Lines tool can be toggled on and off, and elevation marker lines can be hidden or reset as needed. A detail note can now be added to display information about the roof. Simply enter the desired text and customize the note's appearance in the Note menu. Notes can be neatly organized and pointers can be added to clearly label items on the elevation. Each of the elevation views can be quickly detailed in this way. Cross-section views can be created and annotated in a similar manner to elevations. Speed notes are typical notes that can be added with just a couple clicks of the mouse. Through an edit, the default properties of speed notes can be modified to customize the appearance of the note as needed. The content of speed notes can also be modified to meet local construction requirements. Using these annotation tools, elevation views and cross-sections can be detailed to create informative construction documents. Interior elevations can also be generated from the floor plan to provide straight-on views of the kitchens, bathrooms, or any other part of the house interior. Softlist. The Softlist material estimator uses the information stored in SoftPlan floor plans to automatically generate materials lists, cut list reports, cost estimates, and other detailed reports that include information such as labor and markup. While drawing the floor plans for a project, Softlist updates the material report in real time. This report is fully tailored to the needs of the user. It works much like a spreadsheet in that it allows for the insertion of new values and will recalculate the final totals. Materials are counted as they're drawn, allowing Softlist to offer instant calculations that are accurate and greatly beneficial to the drawing process. From the listing of quantities to markup and labor factors, Softlist is thorough and accurate in its results. With the addition of materials to the project, Softlist updates the total project cost, which can be checked as often as needed. From a completely detailed report to a per floor count, Softlist will allow for complete flexibility to best meet the needs of the estimator. Using the Find bar, any material can be quickly located within the report. Materials from the list can even be highlighted on the floor plan. This allows for verification of which items on the drawing contribute to a particular material. The highlighted items appear in yellow on the floor plan drawing. Reports can be quickly exported to QuickBooks and most major accounting packages. Interior decor. While designing the interior layout of the house, furniture, appliances, and other decor symbols can be added to create attractive 3D spaces within the model. SoftPlan provides layers that can be used to control item visibility. If a layer's visibility is turned off, the items added to that layer will not appear on the plan. Items added to all layers will appear in the 3D model. Using this tool, a layer can be created for furniture symbols. Many styles of sofas, rugs, and chairs exist in the libraries that come supplied with SoftPlan. The thousands of symbols that come shipped with SoftPlan ensure that everyone can create gorgeous 3D models that suit the most unique of tastes. To view a specific room in 3D, use the Go to Room feature. Notice the realistic play of light, shadows, and reflections. SoftPlan offers state-of-the-art graphics capabilities. The inclusion of furniture creates an eye-catching home setting that enhances walkthrough tours of the model. Using the Go to Room command, each room of the project can be closely examined in stunning 3D. Along with elevations and cross-sections, fully furnished 3D models greatly contribute to the overall 3D presentation needed to sell designs and keep clients satisfied. 3D. SoftPlan includes many options for enhancing the appearance of the 3D model. Using the Mode menu, it is easy to quickly switch into a different 3D aesthetic. These modes range from displaying the model as simple lines to more artistic presentations such as sketched, illustrated, clay model, or watercolor styles. The textured and ray traced modes yield highly detailed, lifelike models. Detailed site plans can be created and added to the model stack. Having the site plan in the model stacks generates beautiful, realistic environments that can accurately represent the property in 3D. Among the many options for adding realistic details to the 3D model, SoftPlan also offers a menu of sun options for specifying the time zone, date, and time of day to view the 3D model. Setting this information will affect the lighting and shadows based on the sun's position. Quick animations such as full day and full year sun studies can be generated with a click of the mouse. Another key feature of SoftPlan's 3D presentation is the ability to create custom walkthrough animations. Using simple recording and playback tools, in-depth tours of the model can be captured and then exported to video files to share with clients. Interactive 360-degree photos of the model can be created and then published directly to Facebook or a web page. SoftPlan also offers the ability to publish fully navigable 3D models to the web. Once published, SoftPlan creates a link to the project that can be shared with anyone. SoftPlan Web 3D allows clients to explore the interiors and exteriors of 3D models using easy-to-understand camera controls and navigation commands. It is no wonder why SoftPlan has become the CAD package of choice for thousands of builders, designers, remodelers, architects, and interior designers. SoftPlan is the most complete and versatile CAD package in the industry.